Everyone thinks the best-selling camera lens protector is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Most of them promise the same thing: scratch resistance, night mode support, easy install, but only a few actually deliver without messing up your photos or falling off after a week. Product number 1, Alon 3-Pack Lens Guard. First up is the Alon 3-Pack for iPhone 14 Pro Max and 16 Pro models. At just $7.57, it's one of the cheapest options out there, and with over 10,000 bought last month, clearly a lot of people are giving it a shot. What caught my eye was the claim about not affecting night shots, something a lot of protectors mess up. If you want basic protection without spending much, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 9H tempered glass offers solid scratch resistance, and the 0.1 ultra-thin design means it doesn't add bulk or interfere with cases. The big win? It uses a seamless AR integration tech that supposedly preserves flash performance at night, so your low-light photos don't get washed out or hazy. That's huge if you take a lot of evening or indoor shots. Plus, the hydrophobic coating keeps fingerprints off, which helps maintain clarity. Now, some people complained about alignment issues during installation, especially if you don't watch their video tutorial first. Here's the thing though, once you get it right, it sticks well and doesn't peel at the edges like cheaper films do. The real flaw is that it's only for specific Pro models, so double-check your phone version before buying. Still, for under $8, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want reliable lens coverage and don't mind watching a quick install guide. Skip this one if you have an iPhone 16 non-Pro model, it won't fit. For the price, it delivers solid value. Product number 2, Alon Screen Plus Lens Combo. Alright, that was a solid budget pick. But if you want both screen and lens protection in one package, Alon's Combo Pack might be your move. At $10.10, you get 3 screen protectors and 3 lens protectors, all with 9H hardness and case-friendly design. It's specifically made for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, so fit is precise. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The screen protector is 0.33 thin, which keeps touch sensitivity sharp, no lag when scrolling or typing. And the lens protector uses the same night shooting tech as the standalone version, so your flash works perfectly in dark settings. The sensor protection around the dynamic island is a nice touch too, since many cheaper protectors leave that area exposed. With over 10,000 sold recently, it's clear people trust this combo. Now, some users said the screen protector can show minor Newton rings under bright light, those rainbowish patterns. Here's the thing though, unless you're staring directly at a light source, you probably won't notice it in daily use. And honestly, that's common with tempered glass protectors. The bigger issue, it's only for the 14 Pro Max, so if you upgrade phones soon, you're out of luck. This is perfect for you if you want full device protection without mixing and matching brands. Skip this one if you already have a screen protector you like. Buying separately might save you a few bucks. Still, for peace of mind and convenience, this combo is a smart buy. Product number 3, ESR Individual Lens Protectors. Now, if Alon's pre-cut rings felt too bulky or imprecise, ESR takes a completely different approach. These are individual lens protectors, one for each camera, designed to hug each lens perfectly. Priced at $10.11, it's slightly more expensive, but you get ultra-tough glass rated for up to 110 pounds of impact resistance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The individual design means no overlapping edges, so there's zero risk of lifting or trapping dust. The transparency level is so high you won't see any color shift or softness in your photos, even in macro shots. Plus, the flash stays completely uncovered, which is critical for accurate night photography. ESR even includes an alignment guide and removal tool, making install nearly foolproof. Now, some people complain that the black frame around each protector can create minor lens flare in very bright sunlight. Here's the thing though, it's rare and only happens with direct light sources in your shot. For 99% of users, it's a non-issue. The real downside, it's a single pack, so if you lose one or mess up installation, you'll need to rebuy. This is perfect for you if you want maximum precision and don't mind spending a bit more for premium fit and support. Skip this one if you prefer full ring coverage or hate dealing with tiny pieces. But if photo quality is your top priority, ESR delivers. Product number 4, Faralinso 6-Pack Value Pack. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for heavy users. Faralinso's 6-pack at just $7.36. That's less than $1.25 per protector, and it covers iPhone 14 and 15 Pro models. With 4,000 plus sold last month, it's clear people love the quantity and price. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 9H glass offers full lens coverage with an upgraded night flash circle that boosts light transmission. That means your night photos stay bright and clear even with the protector on. The nanoelectrostatic adsorption helps it stick firmly without bubbles, and the open-edge design works with almost any case. Plus, the cleaning kit included makes installation smooth. Now, some buyers said the edges can feel slightly raised compared to thinner options. Here's the thing though, it's barely noticeable and the trade-off is better drop protection. The real flaw, it doesn't fit iPhone 16 models, so future-proofing is limited. Also, with 6 pieces, storage can get messy if you're not organized. This is perfect for you if you want bulk protection on a tight budget and don't mind a slightly thicker feel. Skip this one if you're planning to upgrade to an iPhone 16 soon. But for sheer value and coverage, Faralinso wins. Product number 5, UniqueMe Premium 3-Pack. Finally, we have UniqueMe's 3-pack at $17.70, the most expensive on this list. But with an installation frame included and enhanced electrostatic adhesion, it's built for perfectionists. It's only for iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, so compatibility is narrow, but the precision is unmatched. If you've ever ruined a protector by misaligning it, this one's for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The laser-cut glass fits like a glove, and the night flash circle ensures zero interference with low-light photography. The 9H hardness protects against keys, sand, and drops, while the open-edge design keeps cases compatible. UniqueMe also offers 24-hour customer support, which is rare in this space. Now, some users said the high price doesn't feel justified compared to cheaper alternatives. Here's the thing though, you're paying for the install frame and premium adhesion tech, things that matter if you hate reapplying protectors. The real downside, no support for newer iPhone models, so it's not future-proof. This is perfect for you if you want flawless installation and don't mind paying extra for peace of mind. Skip this one if you're on a budget or plan to upgrade soon. But for fit, finish, and support, UniqueMe stands out. So which one should you pick? If you want the best value, go with Faralinso's 6-pack. Need screen and lens protection together? A-Lens combo is solid. For photo purists, ESR's individual protectors deliver the cleanest results. And if you hate bad installs, UniqueMe's frame makes it effortless. Honestly, none are perfect, but each solves a different problem. Pick based on your priority, not the sales rank.